Hello again, good day. So this is a continuation of the solution to sample problems showing you Jack's and Finn's investment from the age of Jack of 20 and the age of Finn's of 40 until their retirement at the age of 65 years. So we have presented in a previous video the calculation of Jack's investment until his retirement at the age of 65. Now in this video, I'll be showing you on how to determine or how to project Finn's investment at the age of 65 years old. So as a preview on Finn's investment, so we have here Finn invested $4,000 a year from the age of 40 until 60 years old at 10% return. Finn will retire at the age of 65 with a total amount of $368,967.84. So this graph shows the cash flow diagram showing Finn's investment. These are the given in the problem. We have an annuities of $4,000 per year. We have an interest rate of 10% per year. And we have the time stamps. So we have T1 when Finn is at 40 years old or the start of the cash flow. We have T2 is equal to 20 years when Finn is at 60 years old or at the end of his yearly investment. So from T1 to T2, there is a difference of 20 years. And then we have T3 when Finn is at 65 years old. So the time difference from the start of Finn's investment when he was 40 years old until his retirement at 65 is 25 years. Or subtracting 40 from 65 years, we have 25 years. We have here the N1 or the number of years from the start of the annuities until its end from T1 until T2 of 20 years. So N1 is equal to 20 years or subtracting T1 from T2. So 20 minus 0, we have N1 is equal to 20 years. And we have N2 is equal to T3 minus T2 or 25 minus 20, we have N2 is equal to 5 years. So we will identify the future worth of Finn's investment at the age of 65 years old or T3 is equal to 25 years. So we have here, and first is we project the total value of annuities at the end of 20 years, F1. So we identify F1 as given the annuity. So we have F is equal to A times F over A times 10% and then 20. Identifying the formula for finding F given annuities, we have here. Input all the given values. We have the value of F1 as $229,099.998. And then we have here projecting the total values of the annuities at T2 is equal to 20 to the T3 at 25. We project its present worth to its future worth, and then using the single payment factor, we can get the value of F of $368,967.84. On the other hand, for a shortcut for this problem, we have F is equal to annuities and then the uniform series factor 10% and then 20 years, and then the single payment factor F over P 10% and 5. And then using the formula, substituting all the values, A is equal to 4,000, I is 10%, and 1 is equal to 20, and N2 is 5. So we have the F for the future worth value of Finn's investment as $368,967.84. So this is the calculation of Finn's investment when he started investing from 40 years until 60 years until his retirement at the age of 65 years old.